using Google Voice in Angel. All right, so one of the Google tools that I really like is Google Voice. And if you haven't checked out Google Voice yet, go to google.com/Google Voice about, and they have a nice little video and a summary of some of the things that you can do with Google Voice. But I really like it because it allows you can call any number from any phone from anywhere. So I can, if I have a Google Voice number that I give to somebody, they can call that number and then I can have it ring on one of several phones or on all of my phones in succession. So I can have it be on my cell phone or my home phone or wherever. And I can have it go to different phones based on times of the day or what number is calling. Another thing that I also really like about it is I can call any number and have it ring through on any of my phones. So if I want to call somebody and I'm sitting at my desk at work, I can have it ring to that phone, or I can have it ring on another phone if I need to. And another thing that I also like quite a bit is that if somebody calls and leaves voicemail, Google Voice will transcribe that, or try to transcribe that, and send it to you as a text message, or you can read it in your voicemail box, which lets you keyword search across your voicemail as well. So what this possibly means for people who teach online or use Angel is that you can also put in Angel, you can put a widget in your course which will let people call you from within Angel. So before I show you what that looks like, I'm going to show you the settings for my Google Voice account. Here's what my inbox looks like. And I can go to settings, my Google Voice settings, and I see I have call widgets here, and I have one that I already created, and so I can copy that embed code there. And then in Angel, I went to edit the page and add components, and I added the component called about this page. And I like about this page as a component. It's a container that lets you put pretty much any text you want in there. And so I just clicked about this page, and then I pasted in that that widget. Looks like it's actually gotten a little bit simpler since the last time I pasted this one in, but we'll just leave that alone. And then how it works is the student or the viewer clicks on it, and they identify themselves by name, say, and put the number where they currently are right now. And hit connect. Okay. So there, you could probably hear that. It's ringing through on my office phone. And I'm going to pick it up here. One, two, three, four. This is Bob calling. I'm calling and leaving a voicemail message because the Google Voice number that I was trying to call was set to go straight to voicemail. Okay, so when I picked up the phone, it asked me, did I want to make a call? And then, like you just heard, I had the voicemail, or straight to voicemail set. So now I'm kind of stalling for time a little bit, but now I'm going to go back to the voicemail inbox. And see there, I've got a voicemail came in, and I can click to listen to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is Bob calling. I'm calling and leaving a voicemail message because the... So now I could have a digest of all the voicemails people had left me here, and I can search, put keyword searches in, I can forward this, I can send a text message back to the number that called me, or call it directly. So that's all very nice. Sometimes the voicemail transcriptions are garbled, and it's not able to transcribe it, but then you just have to actually listen to it like normal voicemail. So it gives me a web-based voicemail that I can use my full-size keyboard and mouse to interact with, and a way to keyword search those voicemails as they come in. So, I don't know that I've actually talked to anyone who's done this with a real live class, but I really would be curious to find out if people found it useful for their students to be able to leave voicemail for them, or even to tell students, hey, certain hours of the day, I'll actually pick up if you call this number. So there you have it, voicemail and Angel.